For top-notch bathtub refinishing in Pascagoula MS, look no further. Our expert tub reglazing services in Pascagoula ensure your bathroom restoration is seamless and efficient. Specializing in shower resurfacing Pascagoula, we transform your space with precision. Tile refinishing Pascagoula is our forte, offering unmatched surface repair and tub repair Pascagoula MS. Elevate your bathroom renovation Pascagoula with our tub resurfacing Pascagoula MS services, all handled by the trusted professionals at Tubs Pascagoula. Shower repair Pascagoula is made easy with our dedicated team. We excel in tile restoration Pascagoula MS, ensuring your bathroom upgrade Pascagoula is flawless. Our tub coating Pascagoula services provide a durable finish, while shower refinishing Pascagoula MS revitalizes your space. Tile reglazing Pascagoula is perfect for a fresh look, and our bathroom resurfacing Pascagoula MS guarantees satisfaction with every service provided by Tubs Pascagoula. Tub restoration Pascagoula MS is our specialty, offering comprehensive shower restoration Pascagoula solutions. Tile repair Pascagoula MS is handled with care, ensuring your bathroom reglazing Pascagoula is impeccable. For a tub upgrade Pascagoula MS, trust our expertise. Shower upgrade Pascagoula services are designed to meet your needs, and tile upgrade Pascagoula MS ensures a modern touch. Bathroom repair Pascagoula is our commitment, and Tubs Pascagoula delivers reliable tub restoration Pascagoula Mississippi services every time. Bathtub refinishing in Pascagoula MS is a cost-effective solution for homeowners looking to revitalize their bathrooms without the expense of a full renovation. Tub reglazing in Pascagoula offers a fresh, new look to your existing bathtub, making it appear brand new. Shower resurfacing Pascagoula services are perfect for those who want to restore the shine and functionality of their showers. Bathroom restoration in Pascagoula is a popular choice for those looking to enhance the overall aesthetic and value of their homes with help from Tubs Pascagoula. Tile refinishing Pascagoula is an excellent option for updating the look of your bathroom tiles without the need for replacement. Surface repair Pascagoula services can address chips, cracks, and other imperfections in your bathroom surfaces. Tub repair Pascagoula MS is essential for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your bathtub. Bathroom renovation Pascagoula projects can transform your space into a modern, functional oasis. Just ask the professionals at Tubs Pascagoula. Tub resurfacing Pascagoula MS is a quick and efficient way to refresh your bathtub's appearance. Shower repair Pascagoula services ensure that your shower remains in top condition, preventing leaks and other issues. Tile restoration Pascagoula MS can bring your old, worn tiles back to life, enhancing the overall look of your bathroom. Bathroom upgrade Pascagoula services can increase the value of your home while providing a more enjoyable space, especially when completed by Tubs Pascagoula. Tub coating Pascagoula is a durable solution that protects your bathtub from wear and tear. Shower refinishing Pascagoula MS can restore the original beauty of your shower, making it look like new again. Tile reglazing Pascagoula is a cost-effective way to update the look of your tiles without the need for a complete replacement. Bathroom resurfacing Pascagoula MS can give your entire bathroom a fresh, new look, especially when trusted to Tubs Pascagoula. Tub restoration Pascagoula MS services are perfect for those looking to preserve the original charm of their bathtubs. Shower Restoration Pascagoula can bring your shower back to its former glory, improving both appearance and functionality. Tile Repair Pascagoula MS is essential for maintaining the beauty and safety of your bathroom. Bathroom Reglazing Pascagoula is a popular choice for those looking to update their space. Tubs Pascagoula ensures each detail is perfected. Tub Upgrade Pascagoula MS services can enhance the functionality and appearance of your bathtub. Shower Upgrade Pascagoula services can transform your shower into a luxurious retreat. Tile Upgrade Pascagoula MS can modernize the look of your bathroom, increasing its appeal and value. Bathroom Repair Pascagoula services are crucial for maintaining the overall condition and appearance of your bathroom. Trust Tubs Pascagoula for exceptional results. Tub Restoration Pascagoula Mississippi is a valuable service for homeowners looking to maintain the beauty and functionality of their bathtubs. Bathtub Refinishing Pascagoula MS is a cost-effective alternative to replacement, providing a fresh, new look. Tub Reglazing Pascagoula services can extend the life of your bathtub, saving you money in the long run. Shower Resurfacing Pascagoula is an excellent option for those looking to refresh their shower's appearance, and Tubs Pascagoula makes it easy. For top-notch bathtub refinishing in Pascagoula MS, look no further. Our expert team specializes in tub reglazing Pascagoula, ensuring your bathroom looks brand new. Whether you need shower resurfacing Pascagoula or comprehensive bathroom restoration Pascagoula, we have the skills to transform your space. Tile Refinishing Pascagoula is another service we excel in, providing surface repair Pascagoula that lasts. All from the experts at Tubs Pascagoula. Tub Repair Pascagoula MS is essential for maintaining a functional bathroom. Our bathroom renovation Pascagoula services include Tub Resurfacing Pascagoula MS, which can significantly enhance your bathroom's appearance. Shower Repair Pascagoula is another area where we shine, offering Tile Restoration Pascagoula MS to bring your surfaces back to life. For a complete bathroom upgrade Pascagoula, consider our Tub Coating Pascagoula services, proudly offered by Tubs Pascagoula. Shower Refinishing Pascagoula MS is a cost-effective way to refresh your bathroom. Our Tile Reglazing Pascagoula services are perfect for those looking to update their space without a full renovation. Bathroom Resurfacing Pascagoula MS is ideal for those seeking a quick and effective transformation. Tub Restoration Pascagoula MS is a specialty of ours. Tubs Pascagoula ensures quality in every project. For Shower Restoration Pascagoula, our team provides exceptional results. Tile Repair Pascagoula MS is crucial for maintaining the integrity of your bathroom surfaces. Bathroom Reglazing Pascagoula is a popular choice for those wanting a fresh look. Tub Upgrade Pascagoula MS services are available for those looking to enhance their bathroom's functionality and style. Shower Upgrade Pascagoula is another service we offer, and Tubs Pascagoula delivers reliable, stylish upgrades. Tile Upgrade Pascagoula MS is perfect for those looking to modernize their space. Bathroom Repair Pascagoula services are essential for maintaining a safe and functional environment. Tub Restoration Pascagoula Mississippi is a service we take pride in, offering quality results every time. Whether you need bathtub refinishing Pascagoula MS or any other bathroom service, Tubs Pascagoula is here to help.